Yes, this is a fluid pour. Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Soraya. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Now, yes, this is a fluid pour, and I love creating these kinds of paintings. You start off with a hairdryer, you're blowing out the paint, and then creating these gorgeous waves. Then I embellish it, and I show you exactly how I do that, so keep watching. So this is after I've blown the paint out. And this is the finished painting. I just wanted to show you to compare. Okay, so today I'm working on a 30-inch by 48-inch canvas that's 76 by 121 centimeters. For my colors, I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylics for the white, Amsterdam's grayish blue, acrylic sky blue, and Valspar dark iris. I had a really good image in my mind of how I wanted the painting to look like. So here I'm starting by pouring the various paints to start creating the waves. Now I always keep my hair dryer on a cool setting. That is very important. You don't want to put any heat on the paint to cause it to form a skin on it. The other thing I always do is to keep blowing it on a low setting. Now sometimes, depending on how much paint there is, I do turn it up so that it blows it out a little quicker, but most of the time it's on a low setting. Now it looks like I'm blowing this out very quickly, and that's only because I've sped it up for the sake of the length of the video. I just keep working on the blowout until I see something that I really love. In future, I think I'm going to have to get another camera so that you can see what I see from my side. I know it looks a bit of a mess, but trust me, it turns out really beautiful. And here it is from my side. I am loving what I see. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to start embellishing it. It'll all come together. Yeah, it is beautiful. So much gorgeous detail. I'll be back here in just 1 second. It took 3 days to dry. I paused it here so that you can see that I'm using a regular kitchen sponge. I like using various brushes to get the effects that I want. This is Liquitex Basics Acrylic Titanium White. And I'm adding Liquitex Light Olive Green. I mix those paints with Liquitex Matte Medium. I'm working on the all-important focal point. If you're an artist and wanting to try this, I would say to start off with just a limited number of colors, especially when you're blowing it out. You don't want your paintings to get very muddy looking. Remember also, it's your imagination and you're in control of how you want your paintings to look like. I started off by creating this as waves, and later on you will see that it does change. So I do often change my mind as I'm painting, and you should too. I often step back as I'm painting to look at the painting as a whole, and that tells me where the composition should change or if I should do anything differently. So when I talked about starting off with only 3 colors, this is the way to add color. It's using the matte medium so that you can overlay colors on top of the colors you already have. I don't work from a reference or a photo or anything like that. Everything that I paint is from my imagination. Now, sometimes I've been told that a painting looks similar to a place, and I am thrilled when that happens. Adding all these details is a labor of love, but it really makes the painting. So I always work towards having the viewer see the painting as a whole and then come in close and be surprised by all these beautiful little details. If you're interested in purchasing, check out my description area. All my contact information is there. If you've seen my videos before, it's no surprise that I love to have a lot of movement in my paintings. It's just something that is very exciting to me. Now, I guess there wasn't anything really wrong with this area, but I decided to reclaim it as some mountains, and so this is what I'm working on here. And here again, a brand new kitchen sponge so I can create the sky. I have sped up the process here. I do take a lot more time with it so that I get it exactly how I want it to look. Now I added the purple to connect the sky to what was happening in the water. I'm using Pebeo Studios Payne's Gray. And this is Dioxine Purple. This is Amsterdam's Grayish Blue. This is a new day and I decided I didn't like how dark those mountains were, and I'm starting to work on that. I also wanted to add some of the purple onto those mountains. I sing next. See the pyramids along the Nile. Watch the sunset on a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while, you belong to me. And here I'm using Amsterdam's Ultramarine Violet. Now this did take quite a few days and many hours to complete, so if you're new at this, take your time and enjoy the process. And here's the painting all finished. I love the purple color in it, the addition of the light blue as well. So soft and dramatic, and that water is going off into the distance. Loving that. And look here, there is an angel. Do you see the wings? Little head, and then down here, within the angel is a person. I love when that happens. That's pretty cool. And here it is. I've got up-close images coming up. Click on the link you see now to see more of my enhanced pours. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts and Pours. The link is in the description area below.